Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna do the POV drive as promised with this new APR Stage 2 tune with, of course, the updated pops and bangs. So we're gonna, anytime now, we're gonna leave and gonna get some beautiful acceleration, some good sounding pops and bangs, and it'll be a good time. We'll probably get stuck behind someone too, just our luck. Alright, turn off traction and stability. Put the car in sport mode. We'll let her have it. Yikes. I may have forgotten to shift. But yeah, all in all, this tune's really good. I don't see myself slipping really much at all. It keeps the power down real nice. And that's not a fact of my tires. And if you guys actually want me to talk about the tires that I have on the car currently, I'd love to do that. It's a Michelin Pilot Sport all-season tire, and I'll give you the full details of the tires and how they perform, because it's about 10,000 miles on these particular tires. So if you guys want a review on that, please let me know in the comments below, because I'd love to do it. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. You guys are gonna hear some pops and bangs. Just a side note too, I do have my sunroof popped a little bit so you can hear some extra noises. So here we go. All right, so as you guys can hear, the pops and bangs are really loud. They're certainly less, you could say they're more annoying, but in my opinion they're a lot less annoying, and that's just simply because they were loud because I was making them loud. Right now this is kind of my cruising gear, and especially at this speed, my RPMs are kind of low. It's 2,500 or so, and this is just me tapping the throttle. They're more kind of crumbly, more burbly, and yeah, I mean, I don't think they're necessarily as invasive or as annoying as you would expect. Before, I think the peak pop loudness from the old tune was maybe 3,500, give or take, and I'll downshift and probably take me close to that. And as you guys can hear, we're kind of getting a little bit of burbles, some maybe loud crackles, but nothing really too bad. You really have to rev it out high to get those loud pops. So a lot of you guys are probably wondering how long these pops last. You can probably hear, but just to give a good demonstration, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you every time I tap the throttle, and you'll kind of get an idea as how long they last. This can vary too based on how much throttle you give it. If you go for a long pull, sometimes the pops can last maybe even up to 4 to 5 seconds, which is pretty long. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to downshift. We'll go third gear and let off, throttle, let off. As you can tell, they're about, you know, 1 to 2 seconds, which is significantly longer than the old pops. The old pops were just bang, 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 and, you know, that would last, you know, maybe only a second to half a second. So, and you also get more pops and bangs with this tune, obviously, and more of a variety, more randomized. So overall, it sounds really good, and I like the sound of it. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.